Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add Solana to MetaMask. Now, if you are a MetaMask user, you might want to add Solana or any other crypto asset to your wallet to complement your existing cryptocurrency portfolio. This process requires some extra steps, but we have got you covered. Now, before starting the video, let me tell you that unfortunately adding the native Solana token or SOL to your MetaMask wallet is impossible due to the incompatibility issues. Unlike many other blockchains, the Solana blockchain is not EVM compatible, which means it cannot natively integrate with MetaMask. However, another solution involves adding the W-wrapped versions of Solana deployed on other compatible blockchains like BNB chain, Ethereum, Polygon, Avalanche, C chain, and more. So in order to find it, what you need to do is you need to simply open your web browser, and here in the search bar you need to search for coinmarketcap.com. After that, you just have to simply search for wrapped token, and here you just have to type wrapped SOL. Once you are able to find a wrapped SOL, you just have to simply tap on it. Now you need to just scroll down, and here you need to copy its address. So in order to copy it, you need to first tap on more, and from here you need to copy the contract address based on the BNB smart chain. Now you need to come to your MetaMask app, then you need to first change your network to BNB. After that, you just have to tap on import tokens, and here select the custom tokens option. Now paste the address that we have just copied, and here you need to press next. After that, you need to press next again and then tap on import. Now we have Solana based on the BNB network in our MetaMask account. So this is basically the workaround for adding Solana into your MetaMask app. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.